Take care of everybody.
You make some good pretzels, huh?
Okay. Okay. Oh, wow.
This is our wedding song. This is what we play at all our weddings.
It's a wedding song.
Yeah.
This particular song is called House of Broken Love. Don't you wake me, I'll be dreaming that I'm free. On the daybreak, don't you shake me, take me back to misery. 'Cause I'm dealing with the devil, ain't no help from my friends. I'm sleeping with the devil in this house of broken love. Taking chances with you, baby. I saw something in your eyes, and though no one else could blame me, the sign I should have recognized. 'Cause I'm dealing with the devil, ain't no help from my friends. I'm sleeping with the devil in his house of broken love. Yeah, yeah, broken love. If you don't wanna lose my loving, use it constantly. If it's gonna be lies, suspicious eyes, then baby, oh baby, set me free. When the night falls and she's leaving, the moon shines so cold and red, and my heart beats, yeah, yeah, in the weekend, in sorrow in the state. 'Cause I beg you, baby, help me, that you turn your back on me. Didn't even listen. You should have set me free. Now I'm leaving with the devil. Wanna leave this search behind. I'm leaving with the devil. Leave this house of broken love. Yeah, yeah, broken love. Bye bye, broken love. oldie goldie. This is my dad. Thank you. My dad, Mom told me it was Elvis Presley for most of my life until right towards the end. I said, Mom, is Elvis really my dad? She said, oh, honey, don't I wish. That's something. I shit you not. Oh, honey, don't I wish.
I just found out before we come up from Missouri, our father just killed a dude.
What?
Our father shot a dude.